WhatsApp is one of the most widely used messaging apps in the world. And in 2026, it has added even more features to make chatting, calling, and sharing media easier and more fun. In this video, we're going to cover some of the best WhatsApp tips and tricks that every user should know to get the most out of the app. Let's start with keeping your chats organized. One of the most useful tricks is to pin important chats at the top of your chat list. This ensures that your work contacts, family members, or favorite friends are always easy to find. On the other hand, if you're part of multiple groups or don't want to be disturbed by constant notifications, you can mute chats temporarily. This allows you to stay focused without leaving the group or missing messages entirely. Another handy feature is WhatsApp Web and Desktop. You can access your chats on a computer using web.whatsapp.com or the desktop app, making it easier to type longer messages, share files, and manage multiple chats at once. Speaking of messaging, did you know you can format your text? Use bold, italics, strike-through, or monospace text to emphasize important words, highlight corrections, or make your messages more readable and fun. To keep track of important messages, WhatsApp lets you star messages, so you can easily find them later. This is perfect for links, addresses, or important instructions. For added expression, you can use animated stickers, GIFs, and emojis, and even download third-party sticker packs to make your chats more lively and personalized. WhatsApp also makes sharing documents and media simple. You can send PDFs, Word documents, spreadsheets, images, and videos directly through the app. If you need to send a paper document, the built-in document scanner allows you to scan and share it instantly without needing a separate app. Privacy is another strong point. You can control who sees your last seen, profile photo, status, and read receipts, and you can block or report contacts to stay safe. If you want a cleaner chat list without deleting conversations, the archive feature is perfect. Archive chats stay hidden until a new message arrives, helping you stay organized. For those managing multiple groups, the Communities feature is a game changer, allowing you to organize several groups under one umbrella. This is perfect for workplaces, clubs, or family groups that want to keep everything organized without cluttering your main chat list. In short, WhatsApp 2026 is packed with features that make communication faster, safer, and more fun. By using these tips and tricks, you can stay organized, express yourself better, and take full advantage of everything WhatsApp has to offer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.